Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain about my final capstone project. So for this, to build this my website, I used express.js. So with express.js, I have built my website. So my the modules I have used for this website to build this website in JS are it's express, request, password hashing, body parser, and firebase packages. I have used these modules to build my website. So I have created an object for express. So whenever I want to take or give a response, I can use this app object which represents express, and I can use express. And I have used a request module. This request module is used to get and get request and get the request from the API. So I have used an API to check my email is valid, to check whether the given email is valid email or not. So we can do this in HTML also, but if we do that in HTML, it only checks whether it is having at the rate or not. So other than that, after that, gmail.com is if it is present or not present, it won't check. It is considered as this as a email. So to overcome this, I have used this API to check whether the given email is correct email, valid email or not. For that, I have used request module and password hash. I used another module called password hash. So this password hash used to store the password in the hashed format in the database. So here you can see in Firebase, I have here the password is hash. So uh, whenever the database is hacked, so to get rid of losing of data, that this sensitive data, so I have used hashing the password. So this hashes the input password and stores the hashed password in the database. And so the key.json is this is my uh, key, JSON file, which is used to store which is used to store the data in the Firebase database. So here I have used Firebase database module. So to store the data in the Firebase, this module is useful. So I have created a object for Firebase as DB. So whenever I want to use a Firestore database, I can call just DB. So I have simply written some. I have login forms. So I have written. I have whenever the request is sign up to from the sign in form. These lines will be executed. So whenever the login form is submitted, these lines are executed. So and I have listening on my this website on the port 3000. So it is running on the local host one. So first we have to install these packages. So I will go to my folder where my all the project is stored. So I'm here opening and command prompt. Here I will I will install all the packages I need. So that is npm install npm install express EJS and Firebase and next body parser. So this body parser is used to request oh, mm, the API body. So to pass that body information, I am using this body parser. Um, next pages and the another are Firebase password hashing request module. Another one is request module. So when I hit enter, it's it will start downloading. So I am stopping now because I have already installed in here. After installing all the important modules, so I'm going to start my server. So here already my server is running, so I am going to restart it again. So I am going to my folder and writing command, opening command prompt. So here we can type node space my app.js. So this will start my server. So I have using nodemon for this. So whenever any error is also occurs, it will restart the server again by showing the. So I am preferring nodemon. Uh, nodemon. So npm start. So to do this, I'm just adding here my package.json file. In this, I am just adding the script type. So script start equal to nodemon app.js. So this is no need here app.js. So whenever the changes occurred, automatically the system will the server runs again. So this will helpful. So whenever an error also occurs, so we can easily resolve it, and there is there will be no need to restart it again. So here I'm hitting save. So then you can see server is restarting. And let's go to the local host. So I'm running my local host on 3000, local host 3000 and dashboard. So this is my dashboard, my project dashboard. So my website is a task manager. So task manager, in this I have the features like diary, notes, tasks, and reminders. So diary, whenever I want to write a personal diary, I can use this and notes. The information I want to store, that I can store in the notes and the tasks. So what the task I should have to do, and what how many completed tasks are there, and how many incomplete tasks are there. For that I am using task and reminder. So reminder is used to set a reminder. So so if you want to set any reminder, so there, you can use this reminder. So it is not connected to backend now. So because it is asking, it takes an API to work. So but the API is asking for the money. So for now I am not using reminder as fully functional, but these are functional. So let's see those. So first of all we have to sign up. So whenever, so I have here my username is Krishna. So whenever I give the same username and the passwords, same so it won't take. So it will say the the username is already exists in the database. So it will take time. It's taking time. So sorry something like this. I'm logging again. Sign up again. So here you can see the account is already existing. Is already existing, so it won't take. So let's try to log in. So I am already a user, so I am going to log in. So here I am logging into my account. So fail. This is due to my password is incorrect. So so my fail. Sorry, I have forgotten my password. I'm going to relog in again. So this is my email only. This is my another email only. And password is 12345. Okay. So here you can see the data is stored. The password is stored in hash format. So I'm going to log in. main project. So this is a daily. So whenever I want to write daily, so here I'm giving my username and giving a date. So I'm giving today date and writing I have given a video explanation regarding my capstone project. But when I hit save, we save diary, so the diary is saved. So for now, it is I am storing in the local host. So I am not using database for this. So no, it will store in the local host. So if whenever I want to get my diary, so first I will refresh, so the data will won't be seen quickly, and I will give today's date and get daily. So you can see the day the information I have stored in the database local storage is shown here. So like this notes also. So whenever my project, so I will this is my capstone project. So here you can see the notes is stored like this the tasks and the tasks also. So whenever I will give the date and this is a task, so it will goes under pending tasks. So after this day completed, it comes under the completed task and the reminder. So you can set a reminder. I have to eat. When I give date and time, at that time it will give a reminder for me. Set reminder. The reminder will be set and it will give a message message to my phone. So for now it is not working. These are working. So this is my final caption project. So I have so for login I have used then it won't take you know, it won't store password directly in the database. So it will hash the password and it will store the database and it won't take multiple users, so duplicate users. So whenever there should be only single user and there should be only single email for that user. So the email should whatever the email they cannot give, so they have to give at the rate gmail.com only. Also to log into my account to my website. So login also verifies the password and it will log into my it will make login into my account. So here is my logout button. So when I hit logout, I will come back to my dashboard. So this is